Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. You are seeing my rain lilies which have started blooming. Actually, I have made a hedge out of rain lilies last year. So it is when it started growing, both the sides started coming up fast. In the middle came later. Maybe because of that, the flowers also started appearing on the sides, not on the middle. But I'll show you the full hedge. See, here and there it started blooming, but on the whole it has not started blooming. Maybe see, it was raining, no? So the water is there. It's fully pink color rain lily I have kept in this hedge. This is the middle portion you are seeing. This thing, it started late. That is why it has not flowered also. Because of the rain, lot of weeds have also appeared. Nearby the rain lily, what you are seeing is the touch me not plant. See. So. This is the touch me not plant's flower. Two more are there. See, just for fun I have a plant. See, it closes, no, when it touches. So that is why I have kept it here by the end. That is also on the hedge only. It's on the border line. I'll show you when it was just starting. The rain lilies just started. That part I'll show you. Here I am showing my rain lilies, which have started growing once it started raining. 4 days back it was raining, so all the rain lilies have started growing again. See, it is a hedge I have made of rain lilies. See, here nothing is there, but it's only coming. Slowly it's coming. Some plants have really started coming. It's nearby the gate. I have made a hedge with these things. This much has grown. The rain lilies which are sitting in the pot have already, some have buds. Once all of them flowers, I will show you. I will update you. This is the touch me not plant. See? When you touch it, it doesn't like being touched. So I have seen. I'm keeping it just for the fun of it. It also gives flowers. See. Today I will give you the update of rain lilies later when it flowers. See, my rain lily heads. Buds have started appearing. Oh, the first flower also appeared. Everywhere buds are not appeared. Both the sides the buds have appeared, and my touch me not also have grown a lot. Now you are seeing my rain lily hedge, the whole part. Okay, it is this much long actually, and most of them are blooming. I'll show you the close-up also. See, from here it goes like this. Here also some of them have started blooming. And this is the end of the hedge where the touch me not plant also is there. the middle portion only the buds have come. I don't know why both the sides have flowers, the middle one doesn't have the flowers. Actually the first video I took on the June 7th, and today is July 12th. I am taking this video. How much it has grown, even the touch me not, you could see it has grown a lot. If you want to make a rain lily hedge nearby the gate or in your garden, you can make it. It will be very beautiful when it blooms. Hope you like my video about the rain lily hedge. If you like the video, press the like button. I'll show you. This is one of the bud. It's only tomorrow it will bloom. This is another bud. So it will keep on blooming. I'll show the full part. See, this much long it is. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.